Hello again. It's been a while, but I thought I'd just make this video so I can update you on 2D arrays in batch, and especially movement in those 2D arrays in batch, because the older videos have a bit of misinformation and are a bit rambly, so I'll do this one short and to the point. So let's redo the example program that I did way back when. Let's get started. Okay, so here we're gonna do the map, and we'll do an 11 by 11, so it's nice and neat and centered. So we can start in the center. We don't have to worry about any even numbers, so it looks nicer. Okay, so we just finished the map. Let's add the player's position so we know where they're gonna go. I can't really type today, sorry about that. Okay, so now we've done that. Let's do the main loop of the whole thing. This is the central hub for where all the rest of the game code will follow. It's very simple. Boom, done. Let's do the main function that will render the screen. We want this to look neat, so let's use graphic to put the cursor into the upper left-hand corner, so the screen will constantly refresh from that point. Okay, here we're going to have to set your offsets. Basically, take your X position, add 1 to it, so we can properly render the lines. And it's an inline addition, so let's just do the /A argument. Right. Remember, when you're doing /A, you don't use variable markers. Here, let's do the main for loop of the screen rendering. Let's do 0 to 10. Okay, that's the main for loop. Let's make a variable to manipulate. I usually call this line. And what this does is it set the variable line. So this variable line will be set to the current line that you are, as I gesture to the screen, will be whichever line you're on here. So let's do that. Let's do set line equals line I. Remember, we have set local enable delayed expansion, so we can do these wrapping. Now let's check to see where you, the player, are on. Let's see, if I equals player Y, this is where the magic sauce happens. Set line equals line, let's do 0, no, sorry, tilde 0 for the first character, all the way to your position, player X, and then let's do the player character like the @ sign, like old school roguelikes, and then let's do everything from online, everything from X add 1 all the way to the end. Done, simple as that. And now let's print the line. Boom, done. Now let's go on to the move. We have to move, we have to use arrow keys. So I'm going to be using arrow keys just for this one, but I will give you the optional WASD escape characters if you want to know. Remember, all you have to do is just run kbd.exe, hit a key, and then echo the arrow level, and that arrow level is whatever key you hit. So let's do kbd, go to error level. Okay, let's do 72. This is the up key. So W is 119. Let's see. Let's also mark this as up. So if player, Jesus, I cannot type, Y is greater than 1, set a player Y minus equals 1. Go to game. Now we're gonna copy and paste this 2, 3, 4. So if this is up, let's do down. And the down arrow key is escape 80. WAS. S is 115. Let's see if it's less than 9. Increase. Go to game. Okay, this is left. The left arrow key is 75. A, of course, is 97. And if player X is greater than 1, set player X minus equals 1. And then this is right. The right arrow key is 77. How much you want to bet this is going to work on the first try? D. The D key is escape 100. So you can use that instead if you wish. X is less than 9. Set player X plus equals 1. Go to game. How much you want to bet that this entire thing is going to work the first time? I'm going to say probably not, but let's find out. Well, it started up. Let's try it. Up. It was not. I think I know what's wrong. 1 second. Yes. Instead of the greater than equal to signs, you have to use the mnemonics. So these right here. Greater than, less than, lec is less than equal to, gec is greater than equal to, EQU is equal to, nec is not equal to. Okay, so let's do up, left, down, right. That is so simple. And this is perfect framework for your own code. You can go in here, you can do move, you can call in a whole other function like monster move, you can do like, combat. You can do all sorts of other functions inside this framework. This is really just a template for you to just take and just run with. I might do another update on CMD Rogue, the intricacies to that. So we'll see if I ever get around to it. Probably. I really want to redo all these old videos because the old ones have been very rambly. Anyway, I'll stop talking and just take this code and run with it and see what you can do. Have a good day.